Hey everyone, today I have an incredible story that will resonate with every entrepreneur out there. This is the tale of Karan Sharma, a true hustler from the bustling streets of Delhi who turned his dreams into reality. Act 1. The beginning of a hustler. Picture this. Karan grew up watching his father tirelessly run a small grocery shop. Every day was a grind, negotiating with suppliers, counting coins, managing expenses. But Karan was different from the other kids. While his friends dreamed of becoming doctors or engineers, Karan was captivated by the world of money and business. At just 16, he started flipping second-hand smartphones. He bought them cheap, fixed minor issues, and sold them for a profit. By 18, he had saved Oraswan Lakh, but he knew small trades wouldn't cut it. He had bigger dreams. Act 2. The rise of an entrepreneur. Karan enrolled in college, but his mind was always buzzing with business ideas. One day, he noticed a huge gap. Students needed affordable online courses for skill development, and bam, an idea struck him: SkillNext. With his savings and a small loan from his father, he built an online platform offering budget-friendly courses in coding, finance, and digital marketing. His marketing strategy: social media. He created viral content, collaborated with influencers, and within 6 months, SkillNext had over 10,000 users. Investors took notice, and Karan secured Rs 50 lakh in funding. At just 22, he was earning Rs 5 lakh per month, living the high life. But success can be blinding. Act 3. The downfall. Overconfidence led Karan to expand too fast. He hired employees, rented expensive office spaces, and poured money into risky marketing strategies. Then came the market crash. A bigger competitor offered courses for free, and SkillNext's user base dropped overnight. Revenues plummeted by 70%. Drowning in debt, investors pulled out. One evening, he sat alone in his empty office, staring at an eviction notice. Everything was falling apart. Act 4. The comeback. But true entrepreneurs don't quit. Karan analyzed his mistakes and restructured SkillNext. He downsized, moved operations online, and focused on quality content. He introduced subscription plans, collaborated with industry experts, and used AI to personalize courses. Slowly, users returned. Within 2 years, SkillNext was profitable again, with over 2 lakh users and Rs 1 crore in revenue. Now, at 30, Karan is a multi-millionaire, mentoring young entrepreneurs so they don't repeat his mistakes. One day, while driving past his father's small grocery shop, he smiled. He had made it, not just financially, but as a wiser businessman. Morale of the story: 1. Success isn't about how fast you rise, it's about how well you handle setbacks. 1. Never overexpand without financial stability. 1. Customer loyalty trumps quick profits. 1. Every downfall is a lesson in disguise. Learn and adapt. 1. Wealth is about knowledge and resilience, not just money. So if you're hustling out there, remember Karan's story and keep pushing forward. Would you like to hear more stories about real estate success, stock market investing, or building passive income? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more inspiring tales.